I don't know where I got the glitter, but I have glitter everywhere right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are good. So today I'm going to be doing another Barbie inspired makeup. This is the 1959 version. With that being said, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and start off priming my face with the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. Eyebrow. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. I'm going to be using my Day to Night e.l.f. palette for this one, and it's like the full colors. I am going to focus on the blues because that's the 1959 Barbie look. Now I'm going to repeat this on the other eye. A little bit of black, and I am going to smoke it out at the bottom of my eyelash with the Ioni black eyeliner to my waterline. Now I'm going to smudge it out. Now foundation. Wet n Wild blush. e.l.f. highlighter. Eyelash curler. Mascara. Now I am going to add some red lipstick because in the picture she does have red lipstick. This is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? Again, this is inspired by the Barbie from 1959 with the blue eyeshadow, the black eyeliner, and then the red bold lipstick. This is inspired. It's not exactly like the Barbie. I don't know where I got the glitter, but I have glitter everywhere right now. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.